Welcome, my friends. How is the Josh? You must be thinking that I am very happy. Obviously, I should be very happy because I have been telling you the way it is happening exactly. Correct? So, from beforehand, I have been telling you that the market is going to come down. And you have seen that the market is bleeding with each and every day it is getting past. So, my friend, in my last video, I told you that Nifty is going to come down towards this 10,800 to 860 level. That should be the first target of my trade. If you have not yet watched my video, please do watch it, because I have also described about this pattern which I have drawn in this blue colored curves. And there I have mentioned, again I'll do it here in a smaller or synopsis way, but then again please do watch it. I'll put the link in the description box. So my friend, money is very easy to earn if you really know the exact way and how to do it. You need to pick up the right things, you need to execute at the right time. So timing is very important, like cricket. In the same way, timing is very important in stock market. So my friends, in my last video I have told you that Nifty target for me is 10,550 to 600, where the line is already drawn, that is 10,560 70 level. And above that, this line was also drawn in my last video, that is 10,860. So my friend, today my level got reached and I have earned 5 lakh rupees. So my friend, this is not a joke, this is not even sarcasm, this is not even a lie, because you can go through my videos. I have posted those earlier. Even I have one Telegram channel for my special few requested viewers. I will share that link in the description box, the link of the Telegram channel. You can directly click that link and join in my group. It doesn't require to pay anything. It is completely free of cost. You can directly click the link and join my special Telegram broadcast channel, where I do post important things and sometimes I post charts also. So you can avail that facility with free of cost. You can even share it with your friends, you can share it with your near and dear ones, and obviously please do subscribe my YouTube channel as well. So let me explain you that what exactly has happened today. So my friend, this is called an inverse head and shoulder. You can also tell it a cup and handle, inverse cup and handle. If you just remove this curve, this is actually looks like a inverse cup, and this is the handle of that cup. So the target of this cup and handle, inverse cup and handle, or that head and shoulder, is basically you need to calculate it from the high of this head, which is approximately the high is 11,794, and the neckline, this is called the neckline, which is 11,185. You need to calculate the difference and you need to subtract that from the breaking point, from the breakdown level. So the breakdown level is approximately 11,180. So from there, if you subtract the difference of this high and the neckline, you will get a target of 10,560 or 70. Before that, I told you that it would halt around this 10,800 860 level. So today I have made my target and I was completely short. I was completely going with my own analysis. So friends, please at first plan your trade, then trade your plans. Simple. I had my plans from beforehand and I traded my plans in the real market today and the last few days. So that's the main reason I could earn so much amount of money. Simple. So if you can do that, definitely it's just a cakewalk for anyone. It is also your cup of tea. If I can do it, you will also be able to do it. So now the question comes whether it should go further from here or it should bounce back. So my friend, I will not go short tomorrow until and unless it breaches 10,750. So today the close is, you can see at the top over here. So the close is 10,821. So if it don't go below 10,750, I won't go short. I will go short below 10,750, that's for sure, but not before that. Before that, I may go with smaller amount of quantity for little bounce back with a target of this range approximately 10,900. Clear? So this is all about my perception that I have presently for Nifty. So going forward, you may see a little bounce back from this level and then again eventually it should come down. But I'll again go short once that level is breached, that is 10,750. So that's all for Nifty that I wanted to show. And yes, I would like to add the point of Bank Nifty also, because in Bank Nifty also I have been warning you for so many days that my target is around this 21,000 and 21,400. The lines are also drawn. So today, I mean last day, that is yesterday, I already made my target, that is 21,000. So today it was just an add-on with that particular thing. I was short in Nifty, but I didn't do anything in Bank Nifty. But yes, I did Bank Nifty earlier. That means from Monday I have done both in Nifty, Bank Nifty, but today I have done only in Nifty. So my target is reached in Bank Nifty. If you go through my earlier videos, I mentioned that I was talking about this level over there. I was over here in that video, that is 23,500 level or 23,200 level. So from there I told that Nifty, I mean Bank Nifty would come down to 21,000. What else do you want, my friend? So it's more than almost, it's 2,000 points, my friend. It's more than 2,000 points. So please do watch that video. I'll put those links and I'll put my Telegram broadcast channel link also, that is completely free of cost. Please do join it and share it with your near and dear ones, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.